Imagine walking into a room, and within 3 seconds, every single person turns and stares at you. 2 years ago, that was impossible for me. I was the invisible guy. People talked over me, scrolled on their phones, forgot my name 10 seconds later. Then I discovered 3 body language secrets from psychology, and literally overnight, I became impossible to ignore. In the next 4 minutes, I'm giving you the exact same 3 secrets. If you've ever felt invisible or talked over, do not skip this. Secret number 1, I'm telling you first. Secret number 3, I'm saving for last because it's the strongest. Let's go. Quick preview so you know what's coming. Secret 1, the 70% rule. Secret 2, the 3-second magic eye hold. Secret 3, the 90-degree power angle. These work on anyone: friends, boss, strangers, dates. Ready? Secret number 1, the one I promised to say first, the 70% rule. Harvard studies prove people decide if they respect you in the first 4 seconds, based on your body, not your words. I used to cross my arms and close my shoulders, instant defensive, low-value vibe. Now I keep the front of my body 70% open at all times. Palms visible, shoulders relaxed and slightly back, chest open like I own the room. Try it right now while you're listening. Uncross everything. Feel that instant power? When I started doing this, strangers started smiling at me on the street within days. Secret 2, eye contact. Most people look for half a second and break. Feels weak and nervous. The magic number is exactly 3 seconds plus a tiny genuine smile. Look, count 1, 2, 3 inside your head, soft smile, then release. This releases oxytocin in the other person's brain. They instantly feel bonded to you. I tested it in a cafe. 3-second hold plus smile on a random person. They walked over and started talking to me. Works every single time. And now the one I saved for last, the strongest of all. Secret 3, the 90-degree power angle. Never stand or sit facing someone 100% straight. It feels confrontational, like a fight. Instead, position your body at 90 degrees, side by side or L-shape. Studies show people relax and open up 60% faster because they feel safe. Next conversation, slowly turn your torso 90 degrees while talking. Watch them lean in, mirror you, and suddenly hang on your every word. This one alone turned me from background guy to the center of every room. Quick recap so it sticks forever. Secret 1, the first one, 70% open body. Secret 2, 3-second eye hold plus tiny smile. Secret 3, the last and strongest, the 90-degree power angle. These 3 silent tricks took me from completely invisible to the person everyone stares at when I walk in. Now it's your turn. Do this right now. It takes 8 seconds and will explode your results. Drop a 3 in the comments if you're trying the 90-degree angle tonight. Like this video so more people who feel ignored can find it. Share this with one friend who always gets talked over. They will thank you forever. Hit subscribe and the bell because next video I'm dropping the exact words that make anyone addicted to talking to you. Do those 4 things and I promise people will start treating you differently in the next 24 hours. Comment from invisible to magnetic if you believe it. I'm reading every single comment. You are now unignorable. Let's go.